Section 8.6, Neuroma plugs. So these are small foam pads that sit in between the metatarsals heads and expand it out if there's neuromas or ganglions in between the metatarsal heads. So obviously this just indicates whether it's in between metatarsal 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Fairly straightforward here. And again, the positioning is at the tangential bottom plantar surface of the middle of the met head, bang smack in the met. So if you get any problems with the positioning, please refer back to what markings that you've put onto the foot and or the details that you've provided to position it on the orthotic. See you again soon.